Hey YouTubers, JoJo's here supervising the evening shift. I'm putting together some sheaths. So what I got here is a pile of parts over yonder, and first thing to do is assemble these molly panels. So what I did was I took some stainless steel, fancy stainless steel Chicago screws, stick the receiver ends into the back sides, and then screw them on. I'm using blue Loctite because in the future maybe somebody would want to use this rotary array of holes to mount this to something else. If it was used red Loctite, you'd never get them apart without destroying everything. So with blue, you can actually undo the screws if you hold these with some pair of pliers on the inside. There is a chance they might come loose, so something to think about if you are going into battle or something. You might want to decide if you like that permanent or not, and then red Loctite them, but I don't think this is going to be the failure point. Then once the molly plate is assembled with the malice clips, I have 3 fasteners on the inside, and they mount up also with blue Loctite on the screws. You can see I've got blue Loctite on the screws now, and then the next step after that is going to be putting spacers in, and then lock bars, and then put tomahawks in the sheaths, and then sharpen them all. So hopefully this weekend I'll have at least that many tomahawks worth of things ready to go. Maybe not all the tan ones, but maybe all the tan ones. I think I got 7 with these thicker tan grips. There's 4, maybe only 4. Anyway, JoJo's gonna keep me company, and we're gonna get her done.